Learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show. Shall we dance the merengue? Merengue is one of the easiest dances to learn. You pretty much just step on every beat, move your hips, and have fun doing it. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 basic steps in the merengue. Let me show you. Step number 1, basic in place. You're going to start with your left foot free, and I want you to shift your weight to that foot, and then to the right foot, and then to the left foot, as if you're walking, but you're going to be in place. Now, there is a trick on how to step, how to touch the floor correctly. You always want to step with your toes or the ball of your foot first, and then bring your foot flat on the floor. So always go ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. That's how you take your steps around the dance floor in the merengue. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 2, basic to the side, forward and back. Starting with your left foot, I just want you to take a side step, then come together with the right foot. Then another side, come together, another side, come together, another side, come together. Now to go back to the right, you're gonna come together and then side, together, side, together, side, together, side. Now I just did 8 counts to the right, to the left, and then 8 counts to the right. You can do 4 and 4. It doesn't really have to be one specific count. Merengue has that freedom. So now we're gonna go forward 8 counts and back 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now step back with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's pretty much your side to side basic and your forward and back. It feels a lot like walking. Just make sure that your foot placement is correct. Always ball flat. Practice. Step number 3, basic around. We're going to be stepping the same way we've been stepping, but just around in a circle. Starting with your left foot free, let's go around 8 counts. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice. So how do we achieve the hip motion in the merengue? It's simple. It's all about the feet, the knees, and then the hips. If you place your feet right on the floor, then everything else will work naturally, will fall into place. As you touch the floor with the ball of your foot first, your knee will be bent. And this knee will be straight, keeping this leg straight, which means this hip will be sticking out to the side or settled. This one, as you shift your weight to this leg and make your foot flat, your knee is going to get straight, and this hip is going to go to the side, and then this knee will bend. It's a process that will happen back and forth, and that's what will create the hips to go side to side. So you go ball flat, hips, knees straight, hips out. Now this knee's bent. Ball flat, knee straight, hip out. Now this knee is bent. And as you keep doing this, you're settling side to side as if you were waiting for someone. If you're waiting for someone, you kind of rest your weight on one leg more than the other, and when that leg gets tired, you rest your weight on the opposite leg. That's the same action. So as you dance on every step, you're gonna go ball flat, hips out, settle. Ball flat, hips out, settle. Ball flat, straight your knees, hips out, settle. Ball flat, straight your knees, hips out, flat, settle. So it's important that the first part of a foot to touch the floor is the ball or the toe. It's easier to think about the toe. And for you to do that, your knee has to be bent. You can't have your legs straight and do that. So that's why your knee's bent. Boom. So that's how you get your hip motion. If you do it like that, it will look natural and beautiful. Now it's time to have some fun. Go grab a partner and let's dance together. If you are a leader, you'll be starting with your left foot. And if you are a follower, you'll be starting with the right foot. Let's do this. So how should you hold your partner? Leaders, you should extend your left hand outwards, and followers, you should keep your fingers up and then fold it down over the leader's hand. Now for the opposite arm and hand, leaders, place your hand on the follower's shoulder blade, and followers, rest your arm and hand on the leader's right arm. Now because we have a height difference, he can only hold my waist, but you should place your hand ideally on the shoulder blade. Now it's time to grab a partner and dance together. If you don't have one, it's okay. Keep on practicing until you get on the dance floor. Let's do all the patterns we learned. 5, 6, 7, 8, basic in place. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the other side. 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna go forward and back. Now back. Now around. Now you can even have more fun by just lifting your hand and continue stepping around, and you can just have fun with your partner. Keep stepping like I taught you, and just do any turns you like. La casa del merengue, la 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 la, y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música. Música, música, música de la República. Ajá. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.